Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at a Ruger GP100 Match Champion chambered in 10mm. Just a beautiful revolver. Very much overbuilt, as is consistent with many Ruger revolvers. You can just see, look at that top strap. Look at how thick that is. It's got some weight behind it. We'll get it on the scale in a little bit. Very nice features to it. I love those Hogue wood grips. Nice texturing there. It offers a great feel. Very well balanced. It's a heavy revolver because it's chambered in 10mm. A round that has become extremely popular in the last couple of years. MSRP on this is $967. However, you can go up and down Gunbroker, right in the mid 700s will get you this Match Champion chambered in 10mm. And what you're going to get here is a regular hard case, your lock, your paperwork, and 3 moon clips. These are the original speed loaders, and that's why they included them. You do not need them to fire the gun. You don't need them in the cylinder. Okay, that's simply for speed loading. And before we had the fancy speed loaders, people used moon clips, and that's what they're for. This will not shoot 40 Smith & Wesson, so I know many people are going to ask that. It will not fire 40. But as I mentioned, it's a heavy revolver. It's got a partial underlug, not full length, but a full length front strap. The front sight is fiber optic. The rear sight has a U-notch in there, and it is drift adjustable with that setting there, and adjustable for windage as well. This thing offers everything that you want in a very strong, heavy caliber revolver. Very nice. And like most Ruger revolvers, the trigger is pretty nice. You know, the double action, of course, it is heavier, but that single action, I'm measuring right around 4¼ pounds. Right there is that single action. Just tap that thing and that hammer is dropping. Patent Ruger transfer bar right there. And all of the internal parts have been polished. So here we have a satin stainless frame with a very nice look and feel to it. We can take a look at the front of the barrel. It's a 4.2-inch barrel, and you can see how that is inset a little bit. Just sort of adding to the strength and accuracy. In the forcing cone, we see right there, that forcing cone in just a fraction of a second is really tight. It forces that bullet through there, creating extreme accuracy. I think I mentioned it's a 6-shot and 10mm and a very nice package. I like that double action pull, but that single action, you know, that single action revolver pull is just so nice. Let's go ahead and get it on the scale. Ruger says on their site that this is weighing in at 37 ounces. We'll take a look at that. This, of course, is the unloaded weight. 2 pounds, 5½ ounces. We move that to just ounces. And we're looking at 37½ ounces. So very, very nice, very clean, and once again, it does have a great feel to it. Big fan of the Ruger revolvers, and this is no exception. I've got some 10mm on the way. Going to take this to the range and do a range review. I can't wait for that. I'm expecting very nice, very precise accuracy with it, because I have some experience with Ruger revolvers, and the GP100 is first class, and the Match Champion in 10mm is just such a nice offering from Ruger. I cannot wait to get this to the range and show you guys how well it performs. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.